Yo, what's up guys? Today we're gonna do something a little different but same max, just no 240. My boy Brian's actually on his way to put on some new parts. Dude, I almost had a little panic attack. I thought I lost my corner light for my Type X, but luckily it's still here. I don't know how it didn't fall off. What the hell? That's crazy, yo. I would have been so heated. Damn, I gave this guy a call. I told him let's put his parts on, and motherfucker came in like 2 seconds popping VTEC. So let's see what's in the box, Brian.
All right, so what we got here is a Rafe downpipe right there. Cat downpipe because we live in California. Not that it matters. And then Yonaka exhaust, Voodoo 13 camber arms. Don't go with Junk 2 or any of that other bull.
Wait, Junk 2?
Yeah. There's my Yonaka right there.
It's so nice in chrome.
Here's some gaskets.
But I don't even want to know the price because
everything in this box cost me just a little over $1,000.
just a little?
Yeah, just a little, you know. If
And
like,
everything went to...
yeah, everything went to like this. This is like 400, 500, 600. I don't know. But I mean, you can tell by the quality of the welds on here compared to our Yonaka exhaust. You know, in the future I'll probably be changing it, but for now it'll do.
Alright, come up. There, it's up. So his kit was too low, so we had to take out the whole bumper. My boy Brian already getting to it. What is this for?
What do you mean?
Like this thing? Like just for looks?
I have no idea. There it is. Bro, the fucking engine is all the way in there. Like, if I ever want to replace the spark plugs, I have to do this.
That's annoying. So I found out what this does. It hides the water sprayer. And for looks. Alright, Brian?
Yeah. Honda mods.
What the f? Oh.
Yeah, I think there's one more. I'm not sure.
Alright guys, I'm with Honda Pro Brian right now. Like butter. Yeah, you lost the bolt. You're never gonna find that bolt, bro. That must be nice not to worry about broken bolts. So in order to access the downpipe, we had to take all this junk off right here. Well, not junk because it's actually useful, but there's the downpipe. This kind of sucks how there's not that much space to play around with, but hopefully we can make it work. Peekaboo. Who's a good boy? Hello, Pa. Pa. So right now Brian's taking off all the O2 sensors to put them on the downpipe. One's on already. Now he's working on the second one. That goes down there. I didn't know this, but apparently if you don't change the bottom motor mount or the rear motor mount, you can crack your downpipe. I'm not sure if it's specifically this one, but or overall all of them. Is it all of them?
Supposedly it's all of them. I'm just doing it to make sure I don't fuck you and waste $600, you know.
This is nice though. Alright guys, so he bought this SI logo because it's a clone. Now Honda Pro Brian striked again.
Yep.
This is actually a D16 Y7.
Yeah, D16 Y7. Y8 because you don't have VTEC.
Well, barely has VTEC. Hey, what's that line that you say?
Oh fuck! I don't even know.
All right, I got you. When I'm in VTEC, don't even try. Downpipes out, and this thing's ugly. And then we're gonna install Bryans coilovers. Damn, sick! Look at these things. To the back. So there's gonna be like something like this.
Yeah.
Put one second. We actually have to take this muffler off because unfortunately the muffler pipe goes over the control arm. Muffler is out. Master mechanic at it again. Yeah, start it. Hey, floor it? Sounds good. It sounds so nice. I'm gonna enter the clip on how it used to sound. It's so sick. Now we're gonna go take it for a test run. Go pop some VTEC. All right, guys, we're on our way to Mexico right now. Do some pulls.
I think it was like rattling.
Right. Yeah, right.
It might be just touching the
Yeah,
some shit.
that happens to mine sometimes.
Not here.
Maybe that plate that you put, you think like because it's like
Maybe, I'm not sure.
that's the street though. Damn that. Would that VTEC be hidden? Alright, let me get out the car so that we can hear like from like the outside how does it sound.
Alright, where do you want me to drop you off?
Just turn around. Dude, this sounds so good.
Yeah.